Hello everyone, I'm glad to share our mating method for the human-centric video mating competition. My representation is divided into 4 parts: introduction about competition background, the mating method, the results, and the conclusion. Mathematically, the RGB image is defined as a convex combination of foreground and background. The target of mating is to estimate alpha mate, which represents the opacity of foreground at each pixel. Image mating is a useful tool for background replacement with the blooming of the online imaging and image processing. Image mating is gain importance in video conference and live streaming. This challenge focuses on video conference. The dataset is the 320 videos captured in real video making, then sampled and labeled at 5 or 6 fps. There are 220 training, 50 validation, and 50 testing. The competition results were evaluated by 4 metrics. The ranking is mainly based on MSE. We won 3rd place in this competition. Current mating methods can be generally divided in 2 categories: tree-map-based methods, which require tree maps, and tree-map-free methods, which predict alpha mates only based on input image. Through several experiments, we found tree-map-based models have greater advantage. A 2-step schema of segmentation followed by mating is designed according to the results. The overall diagram is as follows: obtain the segmentation result by segmentation model, then generate trip by morphological method. The source image and the trip are used as mating network inputs together to get a final mating result, alpha mate. The portrait segmentation model is tuned based on the existing higher accuracy model. Backbone uses those nets, but we adjust the output categories to 3 classes: background, foreground, and unknown regions. The results are shown in the figures. We generate tree maps through morphological processing based on the segmentation results. However, morphological processing regions influence the mating accuracy by the weight of the uncertainty region. It's critical to choose the right regions. Our mating network is modified from GSA model, changing the network input from 6 channels to 4, adding SSIM nodes to speed up the network convergence. In testing phase, we use test time augmentation to further improve the mating effects. These are the mating results in outdoor and indoor scenes. As you can see, the mating effects have fine higher boundaries. From the mating results, the background of the mating output is very clean by 2-step scheme, and there are few cases that background pixel is mischarged as the foreground. In addition, we do not use temporal information due to time constraints, but interframe information may help us further improve the mating accuracy. That's all. Thank you for listening.